Wrought iron is the purest form of iron. The analysis of wrought iron shows as much as 99.9% of iron. The carbon content is 0.02 to 0.03% only. When heated, wrought iron does not melt, but only becomes pasty, and in this form it can be forged to any shape. It is malleable and ductile. It can neither be hardened nor tempered. It is tough, shock resistant, fibrous structure, easy for forge welding. Ultimate tensile strength is about 350 newtons per square millimeter. No effect in salt water. It will not retain the magnetism. It is corrosion resistant, easy to forge, wide temperature range 850 degrees Celsius to 1350 degrees Celsius. It is used in architectural work, crane hooks, chain links, bolts and nuts, railway couplings, marine works, temporary magnets, core of dynamos, agricultural equipments, pipes, flanges, etc.